In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find MetaTrader 5. Whether you already have MT5 on your computer or you're starting from scratch, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to locate it or download it so you can get trading quickly and confidently. Let's start with finding MetaTrader 5 if it's already installed on a Windows laptop or PC. The fastest method is to use the Start menu. Click the Start button, then begin typing MetaTrader 5 or simply MT5 into the search bar. As soon as it appears in the results, click the MetaTrader 5 application to open it. If you don't see it in search, check your desktop for a shortcut icon that says MetaTrader 5. Another reliable place is the Start menu's app list. Open Start, go to All Programs or All Apps, scroll through the list, and look for a folder or entry named MetaTrader 5. Once you find it, you can right-click and choose to pin it to your Start menu or taskbar so it's easy to open next time. If you don't have MetaTrader 5 installed yet, downloading it is straightforward and free. You can get it either from the official website or from your broker's website. To use the official source, open your web browser and go to www.metatrader5.com. On the home page, look for the option that says Download MetaTrader 5 and click it. Your browser will download the installer file. When the download completes, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, choose Yes. Then follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. Sticking with the default options is usually best unless you have a specific reason to change folders. When it's done, launch MetaTrader 5 and you're ready to proceed with logging in through your broker. MetaTrader 5 is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, mobile devices, and even web browsers. If you prefer using it on a Mac or on your phone, you can find the relevant download options from the same official website or through your device's app store, and the process will feel very similar. Just make sure you're downloading from trusted sources to avoid counterfeit apps. To recap, check your Windows Start menu search, your desktop shortcut, or the All Programs list if MT5 is already installed. If not, head to the official website, download the installer, run it, and follow the prompts. Once you've found or installed MT5, consider pinning it to your taskbar or creating a shortcut so it's always just a click away.